The unassuming beauty of Geranium Biokovo, a gardener's delight. For years, my garden beds were a riot of color, filled with flashy blooms that demanded attention. But lately, I've been drawn to a more understated elegance. Enter Geranium Biokovo, a perennial that stole my heart with its quiet charm. This low-growing geranium, named after the Biokovo Mountains in Croatia where it originated, isn't about shouting for attention. Instead, it offers a gentle symphony of soft pink blooms against a backdrop of aromatic, lobed foliage. It's a plant that rewards closer inspection, its delicate details unfolding with each passing season. The beauty of Geranium Biokovo extends far beyond its aesthetics. This is a plant that even the laziest gardener, like myself, sometimes can appreciate. Here's the lowdown on planting. Light. Biokovo thrives in a variety of lighting conditions, from full sun to dappled shade. So, whether you have a sunny border or a spot beneath a flowering tree, this geranium will adapt. Soil. Well-drained soil is key. Amending clay-heavy soil with compost or sand will ensure happy roots. Planting. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball and plant your Biokovo at the same depth it was in the container. Water thoroughly after planting. A gardener's dream. Low maintenance and long blooms. Once established, Geranium Biokovo requires minimal pampering. Here's what you can expect. Watering. Water regularly during the first growing season, especially during hot, dry spells. Once mature, Biokovo is surprisingly drought-tolerant. Feeding. A light feeding in early spring with a balanced fertilizer is all this geranium needs to thrive. Deadheading. Removing spent blooms encourages continued flowering throughout the season. Simply pinch off the flower head where the stem meets the main stalk. What to plant with Geranium Biokovo? The beauty of Biokovo isn't confined to its visuals. The foliage releases a delightful citrusy scent, adding another dimension to your garden. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Catmint. Nepeta. The lavender blooms of catmint complement the pink flowers of Biokovo beautifully, and both plants attract beneficial pollinators. Yarrow. Achillea. The bright yellow flowers of yarrow create a striking contrast with Biokovo's pink blooms. Both plants are known for their drought tolerance. Daylily. Hemerocallis. The tall flower stalks of daylilies add vertical interest to a planting scheme featuring Biokovo. Beyond beauty, benefits of Geranium Biokovo. There's more to Geranium Biokovo than meets the eye. This little powerhouse offers several benefits. Deer resistant. This is a huge plus for gardeners who struggle with browsing deer. Biokovo is unappealing to these herbivores, leaving your precious plants untouched. Erosion control. Biokovo's spreading habit makes it a fantastic choice for slopes or banks. Its dense foliage helps prevent soil erosion. Pollinator magnet. The delicate flowers of Biokovo attract butterflies, bees, and other beneficial insects, keeping your garden ecosystem buzzing. A perennial performer. Propagation and care beyond planting. Geranium Biokovo is a generous plant, readily multiplying to fill your garden with its charm. Here's how to propagate it. Division. In spring or fall, carefully dig up a mature clump and divide it into sections, each with healthy roots and shoots. Replant the divisions in new locations. Seed saving. Allow the seed heads to dry on the plant and collect the seeds when mature. Sow them indoors in late winter or directly outdoors in the fall. With minimal effort, Geranium Biokovo rewards you with a season-long display of elegance. Its low-maintenance nature, versatility, and deer resistance make it a winner in any garden. So, if you're looking for a plant that offers quiet beauty and effortless charm, Geranium Biokovo might just be your perfect match.